ultimate fireworks spectacular will begin in 10, 7, 6, 5, created by the Alton Towers Resort. Since opening its wondrous gates, this land has welcomed millions of excited faces, with one key goal at its very core: to create dreams that last a lifetime, that inspire the imagination, the mind, and the heart. It binds families, ignites relationships, and forges friendships through the command of exhilaration, joy, and even bravery when facing the most challenging fears. But the truest test of this resort's achievements are not realized in excellency, the awesome rides and attractions. No. The real magic is only proven at night, when falling asleep with your mind. The visions you see are your emotions, captured in unforgettable moments. As tonight, I plan to build a dream in front of your very eyes. Your individual thoughts will form the building blocks, and the dark